Are you visiting Punta Cana? Let me show you one of the best things that you can do while you're here. You have probably heard that visiting Macao Beach is a must-do in Punta Cana. Macao Beach is located about 25 minutes from most of the hotels of the Punta Cana area. Not too long ago, Macao Beach was a secret and very little known surf spot, mostly visited and used by local surfers. And it is now known as an amazing spot to learn to surf or to develop your surfing skills. Here at Punta Cana Surf Adventure, we want you to give surfing a try. You will rarely find anywhere in the world such great conditions to learn to surf. You can watch this other video where we explain in detail what makes Macao such a great beginner surf spot. But allow me to tell you what we do. Beginner surf lessons. For clients of all ages, from small children to older adults, it doesn't matter if you have never surfed before or have just had a couple of lessons. With the many waves Macao offers, we will always be able to find the right one for you. Intermediate surf lessons are available for those of you with a little bit more experience and you're looking for a more challenging lesson that will add to your current skill set. Other services we offer are multiple day surf lessons, surfboard rentals, transfers to and from Macao Beach, and our top-selling products, laughs, good times, and stoke. Don't miss out on the best experience you can have in Punta Cana. Our team will be delighted to welcome you. Until then, hasta pronto!